A true biryani feast is incomplete without biryani gravy on the sides. A lot of you requested for this recipe and here it is. Light, spicy and flavorful biryani gravy. I am beginning with roasting 2 tablespoons of peanuts and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Roast for a couple of minutes on low flame. Next, I am adding 2 dried red chilies and 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Roast lightly for a minute. I am transferring the spices to a plate to cool down. Time to grind. What we have now is a coarse powder. To make it into a paste, I am adding 5 to 6 tablespoons of water and blending. Time to cook the gravy. In a pan, I am heating up 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamom pods, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 onion blended into a paste, and puree of 2 tomatoes. Let this saute for 30 seconds. To spice it up, I am adding 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, half a teaspoon of Turmeric Powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Biryani Masala, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Saute for a minute. Time to add the peanut sesame paste we had made earlier. Bring everything together. To bring this to the gravy consistency, I am adding 1.5 cups of water. I am closing the lid and letting the gravy cook for a minute on low flame. You can always adjust the consistency of the gravy up to your liking. Well, this truly smells amazing. Serve it hot, garnish with a few coriander leaves for a final touch. Try this out and enjoy your biryani like never before. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.